beautiful ladies, welcome to my channel. Welcome to my walk-in closet and beauty room. I am so excited to finally be filming YouTube videos for you guys. It's been a long time coming and I'm finally getting to it. So I hope you're as excited as I am. My videos are going to be about beauty, fashion, lifestyle, shopping hauls, shoes, and advice, tips, all of that. I love it all. So I hope if you're into all that, I hope you can subscribe to my channel, and that way you won't miss any of my videos. Click on the bell so you can get notified and you won't miss any of my videos. So before we get started on this tour, I would love to tell you a little bit about me so you can get to know me, because I want you guys to be my friends. I want this to be a relationship where you can know me, know who I am, know a little bit about me. So I'll go ahead and tell you a little bit about me. So I am married, and I want to thank my husband for this beauty room, because thanks to him, he installed it and remodeled it. It used to be very small, so I'm very happy, and I love him so much. I'm so happy he did this for me. So a little bit about me. I'm married to my best friend. We have two beautiful daughters. Natalie's 13 and Camilla's gonna be 2. They both have birthdays in May, so that's coming up real quick in a few days. So Natalie is my husband's daughter, but I have adopted her as my own. I love her as my own, as if she was mine. And our baby girl, Camilla, she's so much fun. She's a toddler, let me tell you. She's a lot of fun. So that's my little family, and we live in Michigan, the United States, and in a state where summer is very short. We get a lot of snow here and it's so cold. So I'm pretty excited about summer coming up soon. I'm Mexican, I'm a Latina, and I'm bilingual, so I'm very proud of that. If you're into, if you want to learn a new language, if you want to learn Spanish, or if you know Spanish and would love to in watching my videos in Spanish, then go ahead and subscribe to that channel as well. And that will be in the description box, so you can subscribe. There I am. Hello, beautiful people. Alright, so this is my favorite part of my beauty room, and it is my Hollywood mirror and vanity. These are the Alex drawers from IKEA, and the tabletop there. As you can see, it's missing a light, or light went out. And here I am. Hi. I do want to show you these headbands. Can you guys see it? I love these headbands. These are from Amazon, and I have them in different colors. I'll show you my collection. So just love them. It's my favorite hair accessory at the moment. Alright, so here is my perfume collection. These are my favorite perfumes. Another candle there. That's my lipstick collection. Love lipsticks. I love them. I have them in all different colors. I love a bright lip, a nude lip. My makeup brushes, nail polishes, one of my favorite candles, Hawaii, a coconut scent smell. And that's my favorite speaker. Look at those lashes. So nice, love it. And there's some wine back there in case I'm feeling like I want some wine. Easy access there. I don't drink a lot, but when I feel like it, there it's gonna be there. Ready for me. And there's my nameplate. Here's my chair. It's a very comfy chair with some faux fur. Got the faux fur from IKEA, and the chair I got from Amazon. And here are my shoes. I love heels, as you can see. I have them in different colors. It's harder to run after my 2-year-old in them, but I still love them. I wear them as much as I can. And those are my nude shoes. Some silver and gold and cheetah print and tan, white. And there I am again. Hello, peeps. There's my chandelier. You can see it through the mirror. And here's my outfit of the day. Ta-da! Ta-da! And here are my booties and boots. Lots of neutral colors. I like to have those in different neutral colors. Alright, so we're gonna start with the clothes here. So these are my blouses and shirts, work shirts. I try to color coordinate, so here we have it. There's all my sunglasses. Most of my sunglasses are here. My work pants, because I do work at an office. I do dress business casual, professional most of the time. And I'll have some videos on business, professional fashion too. And here are my blazers and jackets, cardigans. And here they are, these headbands that I love in different colors. And I'm gonna link the link below, the Amazon link below, so in case you want to get them in the description, you can find them in the description box. There's some hats, fedora hats back there, my shorts and skirts, and in those bins I have scarves, belts, underwear, bras, socks, pajamas, bathrobes, my jeans and leggings. I have some dresses here, and some tunics, long shirts, my vests. Alright, so we're gonna go back around. So you can see I have white walls and a white ceiling. I love white. Got most of my furniture from IKEA. The closet system and the bookcases where I have my shoes are all from IKEA. Close to my black shoes. There's some red bottoms. Wake up and make up, my motto. Love it. And my black heels, my black shoes. My rain boots, some Uggs, and makeuproom rain boots. Alright, and here is my favorite section of my closet. This is where all my favorite pieces of clothing are found. My going out dresses and jumpsuits, rompers, tops. I love these. This is my favorite section, like I said. This is my weekend clothes, or going out clothes. Here are my bracelets, and my toddler Camilla loves playing with those. Here's a futon, my bag. This is my everyday bag, and now my diaper bag as well. So there's diapers in there too. One of these days I'll do what's in my bag video. And some of my favorite brands. As you can see, there's only one picture frame or wall art on this wall. I do need more decorations, and I will work on that. And here is my jewelry collection. As you can see, I have a lot of accent necklaces. I was really into those for a very long time, so I have so many of them. There's my watches, long necklaces, and earrings. Never let anyone dull your sparkle. Love that. My bags, Michael Kors, Louis Vuitton. I love it. There's my sandals, and sorry it's not very organized. My flip-flops, some bags, totes. So again, here's a little quick tour of my closet. So there you have it, guys. I hope you guys liked it. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my videos. Well, blessings to you all. Take care, be safe, stay safe, and until next video, kisses.